Hey guys, we're back. Duané with the Lawton team, and we have Mike Messer here with NFM Lending. And today we're going to talk to you a little bit about closing costs. So I get the question quite a bit, is how much are my closing costs going to be? However, I am not the lender, so I always have them call NFM to talk to him about closing costs. So Mike, can you talk a little bit about closing costs?
Absolutely. So closing costs is an all-encompassing term for, as a buyer, what you're going to pay to close your loan. Now, there's also kind of some misinformation out there that closing costs are just lender fees, and there's more to it than that. So when it comes to closing costs, there are, of course, lender fees. And as we talked about in a previous segment, if you're paying points, those also fall into that bucket of closing costs. You also have third-party entities that get paid in the transaction as well. For example, the appraiser. We deal with title companies here in Arizona. There are 2 title policies that have to be in place when closing a loan. Now, it's important to note that not all closing costs that show up on your disclosures are the borrower's responsibility.
Okay.
Some fees are paid by the seller. For example, the owner's policy, title policy, the seller pays that unless it's negotiated otherwise in the contract. But it brings me to a unique time that we're in right now.
Okay.
Usually the borrower pays closing costs. The way the market is rolling right now, homes are spending a bit more time on the markets, and it is giving you as the agent an opportunity to negotiate with the seller that they may actually be able to pick up some of the closing costs for the buyer on their behalf.
Okay.
So it's a great time to be a buyer at this point. We haven't seen this in about 2.5 years where sellers are actually picking up costs and doing what we call seller concessions.
Uh-oh, did I hear you say that it's a good time to buy? Oh my gosh, it sounds like we may be in a little bit of a buyer's market. You guys should really take advantage of that. So is there anything else you have on closing costs for me, Mike?
No, that's it. Every situation is a little bit different. There are some closing costs that may apply to one home and not another. HOAs are a perfect example, that if you're looking at 2 different homes, closing costs may be higher on home A than they are on home B, but it's specific to the property. You just need to reach out and we can have that conversation. Definitely.
So what our friend Mike here is saying, that if you have questions about closing costs and things of that nature, it is really particular to the actual home itself. All right, you guys, thanks again for taking the time to watch this video. And we'll come back again with a few more things on how you can make sure you're on the right path to owning a home.